Oil Combat Ultra Proof? Yes, girl. Tested na to. This is Pink Flash Volume Mascara and Eyeliner. Perfect kahit oily lids ka pa. Isang swipe lang, instant volume agad ang lashes. Hindi nagbubuo, hindi clumpy at super gaan sa mata. Pawis, ulan, long day, waterproof, sweatproof, smudge-proof siya. Kahit 12 hours ka sa labas, buhay pa rin ang eye makeup mo. Yung eyeliner, matte black, sharp, at precise. Pang all day slay talaga. From work, errands, hanggang night out, walang retouch needed. Kaya kung gusto mo ng long-lasting, oil control at affordable eye makeup, Pink Flash na to. Check out mo na bago maubos.